In a video, I do some jerk brown fowl or stringing or the layer chicken them. I kill it, clean it up, and then I boil it, same like how you jerk pork. The chicken the people, water boil, I just take it out, but then cool, then I season them now. Scale and thyme and onion and everything already bend. Alright, so people, see them here, see plant them here, so I'm trying to plant them again now. Welcome people, in another video, I do some jerk brown fowl or stringing or the layer chicken them, right? The idea come to mind, I say, yo, I want to jerk because eat 30 brown stew in a soup and a curry. So I say, alright, I'm gonna do it, jerk. So here I do. I kill it, clean it up, and then I'm gonna boil it, same like how you jerk pork. Because I don't know, see how the brown fowl them are common fowl, then tough like a stone. So you have to cook it first before you jerk it. And pork, when you jerk pig, you have to cook it first and then jerk it. To get this nice soft taste, you see me? Make it soft and nice. Cause if you just kill the pig and jerk it so, it's not go nice. You have to cook it first. So I cook the bun fowl and you know, I'm gonna cook it down with pepper, scallion, thyme and everything there, you see me? Because the water you cook down now, have to season it up nice, right? Stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment below and tell me how you think this have a taste and what you think about this idea, you see me? So leave a comment below. Also, share the video. Please be begging share the video. I know say if I'm a big YouTuber, ask me to share the video on that do it or TikTok or Instagram, you see me? Or when I share it without them asking. So just share the video, okay? Subscribe to the channel and touch the bell if you know better job. Just subscribe, touch the bell, click all, right? Just stay tuned. I'm out. People, I actually never jerk brown for before. The idea just come to mind yesterday. I'm say, yo, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna try it. You see me? So, at the first time doing this, right? So, either come to me, I think about it, and I want to execute it, and say, alright, I'm gonna do it. You see me? Right now, I'm outside. I look on stick because I cook it first pan the stick fire. So, first thing I'm gonna do, make a stick fire, then I kill him and clean him up, and then I boil him down. Alright, people, I start the fire already. You see me? I'm gonna roast some two plats in there. In the meantime, you know, because I'm hungry, so I've roasted some two plats in the meantime. So, when I do make a fire, I'm check him back. Alright, people, fire catch, so put it back there. Plant there, so I'm gonna roast same time. You see me? Oh, no, the pot here. Whoever people say, oh, you're black like Dutchy. Yeah, man, other parts they don't talk about. Say black, can't put on a good pot pan stick fire. You see me? So, stay tuned, people. The water here, you know, I just say, pick up the feather off of the chicken, you see me? Because I'm not skin him. I pick him same like we do white fowl. So, same people, when time I kill the chicken and I clean him, I'm going to show you how I go and see him, you see me? The people, water ready, you know, so I kill the chicken and now, getting started. See chicken the people, water boil, see flatten them here. See flatten them, then done roast already, so I'll go and put them there. I'll go and put them there for go and cool and things. So but when I'm done do this, you can consume them there, you see me? So stick on to your people. Boil out people. Water boil out rotted. Not enough water in the pot. Cause water boil long time. I'm gonna know. So people me put it back in the pot, make the pot go on hot back, water go hot back. So I'm going to pick off the part that we actually did deep in the water from chicken in the meantime, you see me? So after I done this, I'm checking back with you know, you see me? So people, this is where I reach with the chicken, because I say the water they boil out, so the water never enough, so our chicken never cover. So this is where I reach, you see me? This is where I pick off. So I'm dipping in the water now, and then I'm checking back with you know, when we finish. As you know, brown fowl, or the laying them, or swinging, whatever you call them. They're not big and fat like a normal white fowl, them, you see me? So them here and the common for them, they be same thing too. You see me? They don't really get fat. You have to feed them and get fat. If you want to get fat, like we eating purpose. You see me? Alright, chicken done clean off. I'm gonna pick up all of here, man, for the feather half of the neck, because the neck fat here I'm not gonna use, so that's not good. And cut the foot them, foot not good. Alright people, I'm done with the chicken, so basically I'm gonna carry it and wash it off, cut it up and all. Just cut not 4/4, you see me? And them here, who can tell me what them here? Who can tell me? Comment below, man. I told you about comment below before me tell you. They might skip the video until me say it. Them here actually egg people. So within a few days, them will actually for more time, because them say a chicken take I think a 74 hour or 78 hour to develop an egg to maturity, so it can come out time. So in a few days time, them will come out time. Alright people, see it there? I made this. Is it nice? Nice. Anyways, I'm gonna fire back. I'll push it the fire. I'll go for the skeleton and thyme and pepper and throwing it now. You see me? I'm just putting salt out, so I don't know thing. You know them things are tough me to cook, so I've cooked it then jerk it, you see me? I try a thing. First me I do it. I don't know if anybody ever did it before, but me I try it. The idea come to me and I try it, so stay tuned. See the people? That's garlic, scallion, pepper, salt and them things in it, you see me? Because you have to cook it with flavor in it. You can't just cook it and just cook it alone without the water. No, not nice. You have to cook it with flavor. So you put your scallion and thyme and them things in it to make it water nice, you see me? Because at the same water you may have to sprinkle upon it one time it a jerk it, because they must say all the juice of the chicken are boil out in the water, so I have to do about the water here and sprinkle upon it, you see me? Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm gonna check you my the process, so I'll keep you up to date. Right now at 10 o'clock, so I'll see how long it takes to cook. Alright people, so at 11 o'clock now, no, 11:16, so it's more than an hour now since it a boil, so it's 1 hour 60 minutes, and people, in knowing they cook it up same way, it a cook still, so man see it by 12 o'clock, it don't cook. Alright people, so I push it up for you now, because see, they kind of burn out, so I push it for you now after 12, so it officially 2 hours since the chicken a cook. So I'm try it back now and see what I go on. So I'm gonna show it. See what I go on there. It gonna be all boil out. It a cook. See no people you know well soft yet, but it a cook. So maybe by 1 o'clock it cook. So I want it. You see me? Basically people now gonna make chicken cook. So man cook good. So basically put it on the grill now. All to do I just catch the color, the jerk chicken color and the flavor. You see me? So it go and cook. Stay tuned. Me so sure now I go on again. Next time when you see me, I want the chicken done cook. I'm gonna season it. So go and stick and stay with me. And I'm before comment below and tell me one thing. It will taste like, if they're nice or whatever. Just comment below. So people may come again. The chicken has been cooking from 10 and now it's 1. So moment of truth. So comment below and tell me how much was that gone already. So moment of truth. Yeah, cook people. Alright, look on a piece here. The piece here, I tap it to the wing, the chest part. Look. So, see? It's a cook, so it's a type part, so type part seem to be cooked people, so I guess after all the water dry out, no I'm not dry, I don't want to water the water dry out. When the water get dry down, I guess it will cook so I want it. You see me? So stay tuned people. So this time I'm showing I'm come again next time today, easy. I'm come again and season this up. With like a Maggi season and them things. So stay tuned again. People man check here now. Now about 2 o'clock. They're about almost 2. So some of this towel here. Yeah man, the man cook already, you know. Look. I don't not see properly. I now use no force. See? I now use no force, so them here alright already, so this will cook. Small now. I just take it out, but then cool. Then I season them now. So I check in back. Right? I check in back with you know. One time I season. Them here. So I put them cool. Then I season it. So I take them out now. Put them on this for cool. Then I season them. Right now they're well cooked people. All the meat come up with the top of the bone. So Maggi season, I blend some scallion, garlic, onion, thyme, pepper, all them things there. And throw up on it. Season them again. And season them again. It's well seasoned. So what I do now, basically, I'm gonna do this, just get some, take out some, cause all the chicken juice in the water here. Just take out some, and before I went there, I jerk the chicken, I just sprinkle it on it. You see me, cause all the juice boil in the water there, so stick and stay people. I'm gonna do it jerk part, and next day, you see me, because it's kinda late now, I can't bother jerk chicken today, cause I'm done, so I'm gonna do it in a 2-part series. Kill and prepare chicken today, and tomorrow, I jerk it, you see me. But come here, some people want to try it. So I'm going tomorrow, so I'm going to jerk it tomorrow. So stay tuned people. So people, this is the sauce I make with the water and boiled chicken, you know. So the water, ketchup, pepper, and them things like this, you see me. So this I use and base the chicken, you see me. Yeah. The water, I'm going to cook the chicken now. Full of all the chicken juice and the scallion, the thyme, the garlic, and all that, you see me? So yeah, best thing to use. Cover that. So I don't want anything to fall into it. This is the chicken. But I start put some seasoning pan already from yesterday, you see me? But they didn't have enough because I locked down and all that, so I buy some chicken, some season this morning. Yeah, Maggi season. Put chop on it, right? And so the cold stove, it's already ready, just for light and all that, and put them chicken on it. So yeah, so yeah, put it to the Maggi season. The scallion and thyme and onion and everything they already blend already and chop on from last night, you see me? So then already marinate night already. So for just throw them marinate now and mix it up. Remember, say the chicken already cook already. Yeah, the cook already until the meat come like you want fall off of the bone. So just throw them up on them, heat it up, and throw them on the grill. People, I'm checking back with them. I'm doing all this, I'm checking back with them because I have the cap on them, I have the cap. You can't do it with one hand. If I see the meat easy to fall off of the bone, yeah? Easy, make it already. Well, let me see if I can do it with one hand. So the water you don't hear, so we're trying to check it. This are use and base chicken too. You see me? Because this are the which when it's clear in time and everything will burn up. You see me? So everything I throw in it. See there? See meat them that fall off of the bone. If you just take time and store it, you see me? I'm gonna just put it on the grill, make it burn a bit and get the jerk color and the flavor. You see me? So I think it's already, you know. I don't think it needs more seasoning on this. I'm going to check out the chicken parts thing because them two are already. So I'm doing here. No, I lie, I'm not doing this. I have to say chest meat. I'm not fall off people. So I'm supposed to went already because I'm done. I'll just need more seasoning for it better. But I can't do over season it. You see me? Me personally don't put that meat over season. Even fish don't really require no seasoning, you know. Alright, so I leave this now. I'm going to marinate a little bit same way with the original season throw upon it, and then I throw it on the grill. So I check him back with you know when time I put it on the grill. Alright, see the people. Fire catch. Alright people, I think I do one thing wrong. I make a little mistake. Alright? I think I cook the chicken too much. Maybe I should when it almost cook, I take it off of the fire. So I finish cook on the grill. You see me? So comment below and tell me if you agree with me. You see me? Because right now it cook till the meat basically I fall off of the bone. Yeah. So next time when I make it, if I make it again, I'm gonna take it off of the fire when time it's right about to cook, almost cook. Don't be make you finish cook on the grill. So comment below and tell me if you agree with me. You see me? Don't want you hear none of that because I want you to come and know. I never want to cook because through my do have them forgetting smoke thing. I mean, I want to come here and make you get smoke up, you see me? So look more and my baby, I can watch me here and all that and go back to the trim and everything because lockdown I'm not going away. So stay tuned. I'm soon sure I'm going to put the chicken on the grill. Yeah, just stay tuned. I'm out. So people, fire catcher ready. So ready for chicken on the grill. And also I'm going to peel them black and chop on the grill same way. Same time, you see me? So the jerk chicken and the flatten. So the chicken here. Oh, I don't want to drop it now. So throw it on the grill. See? Come like a flat now, can hold people. Full up, grill full up. On there. If Latin now can't hold people. I'll put this one back on so. And I'll put the piece here. Right here. See that you have enough more piece of meat. Alright, so not sure if you this not this. I don't think I'm gonna use so much of this to people, but I'm gonna use the needed and the rest of it straight away, you see me? Lock down this and checking back on when time I turn taking, you see me? So just stay tuned, I'm out. People, I already cut the platen already, you see me? I go ahead cut the platen so one time chicken done, without trying platen, because I don't know if chicken cook already, so it not take too long. Yeah, so cover up, and at that, let me say sorry, not this. When I smell that, it smells good done. Yeah man, it smells so good. People, I check in for the camera, smell something like something I burn. So, I'm checking, because I don't know say anything and I'll take no time cooking. Buster. I basically the color I catch and them thing there. See? Them catch color fast because they're to cook already. You see me? So with the next 20 minute time or so, or less, them are done sort out. Open and smell a nice flavor then because it smells so good. Alright. Color kitchen and come on. So good then look a piece now. Them can't wait them there because them not a chop grill. So it was the leg and thigh. This is the breast and wing. And breast and wing. I'm cut the chicken and 4 water. You see me? So stay tuned. So checking back. Next time I'm checking back with me basing the little sauce to make. You see me? But there again people, there again. Oh, them actually burn people them cook so fast. So I'm gonna show the soft right now. And let me turn them already. The one you cannot burn people beside here. Already turn on already. So basically this won't take them back. See me? Because them cut already. I'm gonna big seat and make it then the water dry off, then me take them off and put on the platen. So I'm checking. So people see them here. See platen them here. So I'm throwing platen on the grill now. So put on platen time. I don't know platen nice pan grill. You see me? You eat that this is nice. Kind of bake, no oil. Them thing are good thing people. Them thing are healthy if you go. Stick and stay the same way. Can't rain off all. So as soon as this done, check him back with you know. So people, so I go on, see platen done, chicken done, so at time for test now, see what I go on. Well people, this at the end of the video. As you see, if you reach right here so, that means you make it to the end of the video. Oh boy, I look rusty. So anyways, the chicken tastes nice, right? The meat more firm like a pork, so knife in a soft like a normal chicken meat, right? You know, firm, you more firmer, right? Me never remember showing when tell me eat it, right? Come they get so distracted, there's so much things, you see me. So me actually never remember close up the video. So me edit it now. Someone say, yo, man, close that up now. I'm not gonna know what go on. So leave it in the comment section and tell me one thing about this. You see me? Give your opinion. So just leave it in the comment section. Leave a like. Share the video. You see me? Share it to everybody we know. Because I know say if I did like a popular person, I will share it when I share it. You see me? So just share this video. You sharing this, that look good for me because more I'm trying to build. So share it out. Get more people to see the video here. So you share it to your mother, auntie, sister, uncle, anybody. Just share it, man. And make sure you then subscribe and you subscribe to and touch the bell, you see me? Because if I subscribe and don't touch the bell, you now know when time video drop. So just subscribe, touch the bell, put it on all, right? Follow me Instagram, follow me TikTok, Stama TV vlogs, right? And my personal IG, Jeff876. So just do right. I'm out.